ecstatic, especially putting the smallest but the most loved state of our country on the map for pageantry. It's the first time that somebody from our state has done this for India. And I cannot tell you the immense pride that I'm filled with when I have India written across me like this. And of course, as you can see, my parents, my mom, my dad, my sister, sir, even speaker sir was here. Just being received with so much love, the kids waiting there for me, and being such an inspiration for them, it truly is a dream come true. I don't think there's more that I can ask from the universe. Just all of your blessings for my future endeavors, for my position when I go for the Miss World contest. I just hope that your blessings and your love and your support continues to stay with me forever.
When you started from Goa and you reached this level, what is your message to all the other women who are noticing you today, watching you today?
So I think the biggest challenge that I faced was to believe in myself. But then I would just say that surround yourself with good friends, good family who support your dreams. Because ultimately it's not a one-person job to reach anywhere. And to have such a good backing, and people like Sir here are like promoting so much encouragement among the youth to take up big spaces, to get into leadership. These are all the skills that we need, and these are all the people who will take us forward from this point on. So all I'm saying is, it's not a one-person job to make a win. A win is a collective win. Today everybody, my friends, my family, everybody whom you see here are part of my story, and I carry that story and their legacy with me along with everybody else, and I think that's what this truly means to me.
Any plans in the near future now that you achieve?
In the near future, sir, I would say I'm open to whatever the universe's plan. I think the universe's plan is a bigger plan, the God's plan. You need to believe in it. I did not think one and a half years ago that I would be standing here today. So I know that if you do good, you receive good, and I'll try to do as much good as I can, touch as many lives as I can. And I think in return that will come back to me in terms of opportunity, in terms of whatever I can do in the future. So in terms of helping other communities, in terms of inspiring people, that's what I really strive for.
There was a reel that went viral when your dad asked you whether you were nervous and scared. So were you really nervous? What was going in your mind in the last moments of your time?
Quite honestly, initially I was very nervous, but then I realized that to be somebody who's come from such small beginnings and such small places, I was honestly very privileged to have my parents work so hard for me to even send me to that stage. But at that point, I just had to do justice to myself and enjoy that very moment. And I think I got the crown because I was very present in the moment and I was really enjoying what I was doing. And I told myself, Sadhvi, you reached top 8. That's a big feat in itself. Whatever happens this point on is all Bhagwan ki kripa.
Especially Speaker Lord Rajibab, Shankar Pramukar, Dasharatha received the prayer. I am very happy about that. And माझी बाबा वास्तू क्लिनिकल जन्म आहे आणि म्हणटा पळय जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी म्हणटा तशें तेणें आज ह्या भूमीक जन्म घेवन साकार करून दाखयलो आनी म्हाका सगळ्याचो पाठिंबा आसा म्हणून सांगूंक सोदता आनी तेजें फ्युचर बरें जावं आनी म्हाजे ब्रदर म्हाजे वायफ सिस्टर फॅमिली मेंबर्स सगळ्यांनी हेका सपोर्ट केल्या आनी विशेषता म्हणजे गोंयच्या लोकांनी म्हाका बरेंच सपोर्ट केला म्हाका सांगूंक सोदता कित्याक इट इज सिलेक्शन फ्रॉम गोवा आनी हांव सदांच म्हणटालो म्हणजे पळय म्हणटालो की हे एज्युकेशन करून खंयच्या जॉबाक वयतले पण आज हांव खरो MLA आसा खरो पण आज म्हाका भायर रावून ते भितर एक बरें दिसलें म्हणजे आपल्या मनात बरें दिसता पळय तशें दिसलें आनी तें बरें जावं न्ही म्हणून हांव दामोदर बाबाक आनी सगळ्या हांच्या देवाक सगळ्याक प्रार्थना करता आनी तुमी सगळ्याचे देव बरें करूं.
हांवें चली हिंगा वास्को क्लिनिकाक जल्मा येयली आज मिस इंडिया सिलेक्ट जावन आज गोंय गोवोरमेंटान रिसीव करून आमी पावले सगळे लोक येयले आमकां बरें दिसलें गोंयच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांक आभारी आसा स्पीकर साहेबाक नमस्कार आनी संतोश
आम्ही सगळ्याच साध्वी सतीश सेठ आणि हालींच फेमिना मिस इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट जिखिल्लो आसा ताका रिसीव करपाक आनी आमकां सगळ्या गोंयकारांक ही एक अभिमानाची गोश्ट आसा आनी गोंयकार आनी वास्कोकारांक चड अभिमानाची कित्याक साध्वी इज फ्रॉम वास्को जन्म वास्को जाल्लो आसा कितें 7 वर्सां दिसता म्हाका ते वास्को राविल्ले आसा आनी आमी सतीश बाईकूय आमी लागींचो पळय सतीश बाई वॉज माय इमिडिएट नेबर म्हणजे वास्को भितर आनी तांचो एक मोठो वांटो म्हणजे वास्कोच्या उदरगतीन आनी गोंयच्या उदरगतीन आशिल्लो काळांतरान तो कर्नाटका वचून आमदार जालो आनी म्हाका दिसता आज साध्वीन जे फीट एकॉम्प्लीश केलां म्हाका दिसता खऱ्या अर्थान वुमन एम्पावरमेंट कितें आनी एक बायलो मनीस एक चिंतलें जाल्यार कितें करूंक शकता हाजें एक जित्या जागता उदाहरण म्हणटा तें साध्वी आसा आनी फेमिना मिस इंडिया म्हणजे हो भारता भितरलो एक सगळ्यांत प्रतिश्ठीत असो हो एवॉर्ड आसता हे एवॉर्डा खातीर म्हाका दिसता 500हून अदीक बायलो ताका कॉन्टेस्ट करताली तातूंत ती शॉर्टलिस्ट जाली तातूंत भितर ते फर्स्ट आयले सगळ्यांकूच हो अभिमान आनी फुडें म्हाका दिसता ते मिस वर्ल्डाक ते आतां वतले आसता टांझानिया सो वी आर व्हेरी होपफूल एंड वी आर शुअर दॅट टांझानिया पसून मिस वर्ल्ड जावन ते परत येतले म्हाका ताका इतलेंच सांगून दिसता की यू हॅव मेड ऑल आवर गोवन वास्कोकार्स इंडियन्स व्हेरी प्राऊड बाय युअर फीट इट वॉज बाय नो चान्स अ व्हेरी स्मॉल फीट आमकां सांगप खूब सोंपें आसता पूण त्या स्टेजीर व्हडल्या व्हडल्या जजीसा मुखार व्हडल्या हांच्या मुखार उलोवप नाल्यार आपलें प्रेजेंटेशन करप त्या कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल ते स्पिरीट आय थिंक हॅट्स ऑफ टू साध्वी फॉर मेकिंग अस ऑल प्राऊड एंड वी ऑल विश तूं अशेंच फुडें वचचें आमचें गोंयचें नांव इंटरनॅशनल स्टेजीर आतां तुवें सांगलें की धाकटीशी आमची माणकुली स्टेट त्या माणकुली स्टेटान तुजें कितलें टॅलंट आसा तें आमकां दिसून येता आनी ते आज भारताच्या स्टेजीर आसा ते इंटरनॅशनल स्टेजीचेर व्हरपाक साध्वी म्हाका दिसता ते व्हरतले आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक प्राऊड करतले परत एकदां ताणें ह्या फिटा बद्दल ताका परत आभार आनी ताचें अभिनंदन
गोष्ट आमच्या येणाऱ्या जनरेशनाक एक त्याचे एक्झाम्पल घेवपाचें की जरी ते गोंयान जन्माक येयले आनी कारवाराक रावन शिकले जाल्यार ब्युटी पेजंट इज नॉट अ पेजंट फॉर ओनली रिच एंड फेमस एनी कॉमन पर्सन कॅन डू इट ऑल माय youngsters from Goa should take an example and get into this field and win the title. Thank you.